Are you looking for a free open source Fider voting tool? Let's discover Fider, a free self-hosted platform to collect and prioritize customer feedback. Users share feature request IDs, vote, and discuss them so you get valuable suggestions and prioritize what they need the most. To start using Fider, you can use their cloud version starting at $49 a month, or you can self-deploy it by following their self-hosted guide on their documentation. Or you can use a platform like ours, Elestio, to deploy it seamlessly on your server or the cloud provider of your choice. We handle the installation, backups, updates, and ongoing maintenance for you. To start using Fider on our platform, head to ls.io and click on Login. Then deploy my first service, search for Fider, and select. Choose between the different cloud providers available, regions, and service plans based on your need. Then hit the next button. On the next screen, you can adjust more advanced settings, choose between different levels of support. The first one is free and included by default. And once you're all good, hit the Create Service button. Once the installation is finished, you will receive this email. You can follow the link. Because you are the first user, you need to set up your account, type your name and email. And also, what is this feedback forum for? So let's just type Elestio and confirm. You will receive a link at the email you chose. Check your mailbox and follow the link. We arrive logged in on our Fider instance, and at the beginning it's quite empty, and they have this recommendation telling us to create at least 3 suggestions. So to create them, it's on the left here, and usually it will be user suggestions explaining what they want, what they need. But it could also be your team IDs that you want to show to your user base, and they will vote to choose the one they want the most. Let's add 3 random IDs for Elestio. Develop a referral program. And you can also add a description to explain exactly, precisely what you want. Let's say I am a hardcore user of Elestio, hosting all my projects on it, but also my customer ones. Can you develop a referral program to motivate me advocating it? We can also add a picture. We will do it later. For this one, let's submit it. Once created, it opens it directly. We will come back to this screen right after, but let's add the 3 suggestions that they suggested. Let's say we want more frequent newsletters. And because there are suggestions posts here, when you type yours, it's automatically searching into the database, which will prevent duplicates. And if someone has the same ID, they will just upvote one and not create another one. For this one, we don't want to add any suggestion. Let's just submit. And let's create a last one. Go back to the dashboard. Can you make, let's say, software name, any software you want, available in the services list? It's my favorite open source software. Please make it available on Elestio. Let's add a picture. I have this software list, perfect, open and submit it. All right, now we have 3 suggestions. We can dive into what is one suggestion. So it includes the user that made it, the title, description, and image if a user added one. You can open it in a lightbox. Let's close it and vote for it or follow it. But because it's me who created it, it's done automatically. You can also discuss with other users about the suggestion, or also the team that will discuss it with the people who wanted this feature to ask more questions to develop it the perfect way. Let's say we open the discussion. Are there other people using it? Submit. And now other users can respond to me. We can also enhance the description you have here. If we go on top, edit, they didn't add an editor for it. But if you use Markdown, it's working. So Markdown syntax. If I save, you can see Elestio is in bold, allowing you to add images, links, titles, subtitles, everything to polish the display of your feature request. Let's see what the experience for other users. I will take the link, open an incognito tab to not be logged in, open it. From there, we can see the list of the different feature requests. Let's say I want to vote on this one. I need to sign in to be able to participate and vote. So let's use john@yopmail.com, sign in. It sent me an email on this address. On Yopmail, let's search for John. Perfect, here it is, let's open it. And it opens me this sign up link. So let's say I'm John, submit. I am now logged in as John. You can see in the list here, you have one comment already. Let's open it. Yes, I'm using it too. Submit. And I will also vote for this ID. Let's go back to the main account. Here we can see there are 2 votes. On the top right, I have a notification of something happened because I'm following this one. And I can see that John left a comment. And if I go back to the list, you as the team that is providing this service for your users, you simply check which one has the most upvote and plan them on your roadmap if it's relevant. Once you do it, you open it, and on the top right, you can do respond. So now it is open because it's a user asking for it. But let's say you agreed with the team to do it. You'll put it as planned. We are working on it. Submit. Now the users can see that it is planned. It will add the label on the list. You can still vote for it. And once you finish it, you can respond again, say completed or decline if it's something you don't want to do. It's now available on our platform, and submit. Now it appears as completed and it will simply disappear from the list. To organize better the content in this list, if you have a lot of different scope for your projects, you can go in the settings, in the administration one, site settings, add some tags, add new, let's say software for software requests. Let's put it in public. You can randomize the color to something you want, save, add another one, platform ID, public to, save. And if you go back on the platform, edit, and from there, your users can choose tags. But first you need to set them up. Software, save, and it will appear here. Also on the list, and you can filter based on the different things. Your tags will appear on the list, and you can also do it by status. In your user settings, what you can do is choose between the different notifications you want, choose a profile picture for your avatar, and also generate an API key if you want to integrate Fider to your application. If you open the documentation, you can see all the endpoints available and actions you can make on it. And also on the administration settings, you can fine-tune the aesthetic of it, adding a welcome message, adding your logo, open and save. Now it appears on the top bar. But if you want to customize it more, you can go to Advanced and apply custom CSS. You've seen that with the URL, we were able to log in ourselves easily without a restriction, but you can also make it private. So only your user will have access to it and not everyone that has access to the website. If you do it, setting your website private, you will need to invite the users and members. You can manage them here and invite them with the invitations panel. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed discovering Fider with us. Please hit the like button to help our channel be more visible to other open source lovers. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss our next platform overviews. If you want to continue your open source journey, watch this video, available here.